Here's how you can create your very own version of Diary of a CEO at home and gain all the success and allure that comes with it. Hi, I'm British. Welcome to the podcast. Hello. The microphone's on. It's recording. You can speak into it.
Hello.
What are your top tips on how to sleep better?
What?
What are your 3 keys to a healthy lifestyle? What are your 3 best toys?
My cuddly toy penguin. Captain America.
Captain America.
And Paw Patrol, light up Paw Patrol.
Why waste time eating when you can have Gruel? I believe in this product so much, I've invested 2 million quid for a 3% share in the company. With the extra time I've gained from not eating real food, I've been able to make 4-hour episodes of the podcast just for you. Forget food, drink Gruel. Warning, side effects may include severe migraines, scurvy and mild tuberculosis.
What?
What are your 3 best toys?
Captain America. My cuddly toy penguin.
And there you have it. Start recording and you'll be flying up those podcast charts in no time.